paintwork on this C250 Mercedes Benz this morning. So yeah, it's 2 blends on the quarter panel. Make sure that cam's rolling. Yep, we're rolling. Yeah, C250 Mercedes Benz blends on the quarter panels, repair on the rear bumper. Oh sorry, repair on the boot lid and a new rear bumper. What a way to start today, eh? Couldn't think of anything else I'd rather do. The funny thing is I'm not even being sarcastic, I love this shit. Oh yeah, I get a good feeling about this, I really do. You can usually get that feeling when you run your tack rag over your blend. They've actually melted in quite nice. It's not rough and yeah, you just can't feel those dry bits of base coat sort of grabbing into the tack rag. I guess the cooler weather actually helps that. Dries a little bit slower, so you know it's not sort of drying as you're spraying or anything like that. I might even give that boot lid a light tack rag. Oh, but it's feeling so good. So I did do a couple of other videos on this job here. I don't know, like I actually don't know until I get home and edit them, or at least put them together. But one thing that I did do off cam was I ended up having to go over those blends again because they did look a bit funky. So I did that trick where you just mix half 599 or half base coat blender with the colour, and then just put another bit over the quarter panel blend and even over the boot lid as well. But it looks like it's blended out quite nice. So yeah, spray gun is still my #1 gun, my favourite of all time. The Velvet GTI Pro Light TE20 1.3. This one is the camo edition, but all that is just a different limited edition. Does the same as all the other Pro Lights do. Wow, nice and clean, Gunny, woo! So I did actually heat that clear up just a touch. The clear is at 20 degrees, but the ambient temperature of the day is probably around 15. Now that's Celsius, so I guess the clear, if it's 20, it'll be around 70. So I've warmed the clear up just a little bit, not too hot. I am using fast hardness, I don't want to get it too hot. And what would 15 be? Maybe around 60? Yes, around 60. So the ambient temperature of the day is around 60 Fahrenheit or 15 Celsius. And the clear coat is 70 Fahrenheit or 20 Celsius. I know some of you might say this is a little bit of a crazy thing to do, and you're probably right, but it works. But I heat my clear up in the microwave. I think I might have mentioned it before, but yeah, I know it sounds ludicrous, but it works. When I moved home, my wife just wanted a new microwave, so I'm like, okay, I'll buy one for you. And I brought my old microwave into work, and I'll just give it 20 seconds. A big pot like this, I just gave it 20 seconds. Obviously, you know, how hot it is, how hot the day is, and how much clear coat you want to warm up is obviously going to alter the time. But I've got a little infrared thermometer, digital infrared thermometer there. So I just check the temperature after after I heat it up, and if it, you know, will stay still at 15 degrees after 20 seconds, I might give it an extra 5 or 10 seconds or something, you know, just get it that little bit warmer. But obviously you don't want to go too hot. I wouldn't go any above 30 Celsius with my clear coat. I have done it before. I did it on this, was it like it was a video that I did on my main channel. It was a Corvette Stingray, I think, yeah, black Corvette Stingray, you may have seen it. And I put a coat on, I've got this clear like really stinking hot, like it's a full HS clear. I didn't put any reducer in it, got it really hot, and I left it for like 10 minutes and I came back and it was like going hard in my gun. I tried to put the second coat on, I'm like, what the hell's going on here? I have to mix up more clear, because yeah, I've got it too hot that, yeah, so don't do that. There's a limit. But hey, I like pushing the boundaries, I like pushing the limits and then finding the limits, and then you just work around them, you know? Find that sweet spot, I guess. And yeah, like the kind of clear you're using obviously is going to make a bit of a difference too. Like, this isn't a full HS clear, so I might even, if it was a full HS clear, I might have even gone a little bit warmer with it and not put the reducer in it, you know? But this clear here doesn't require a reducer anyway. In fact, they don't recommend it. Like, you shouldn't put reducer into this clear. And yeah, well, it doesn't need it, so it's already a little bit thin as it is. So if you go and get this stuff too thin, you just kind of probably won't get the film build and just look a bit funny. Yeah, it's sort of like probably dry, lose a bit of gloss and all that. So I mixed up 900 mils, and fingers crossed we're going to have enough. But man, that's nice and clean. Really, really nice. I'm happy. This is a happy gunman today. Oh, it pains me. It pains me to clear over that tent. I'll tell you what, it's sacrilegious, man, but I ain't got much of a choice. I explained it in the previous video when I was base coating, but one of those things, man, the owner doesn't want to pay for it. I think he said he was going to like get it done by a spot repair specialist, and yeah, my boss just said, man, you've got to clear over it. It's just a blend panel, so hands are kind of tied, man. But I would have loved to have fixed it and blended into the rear door, but unfortunately we don't work for free, you know. Looking good, Gunny, looking good. Might just a touch wetter there just to get that Mercedes finish. Are you gonna have enough clear? Hope so. Yeah, we'll have heat. Go a little bit more over here. Just want to wet it up just a touch more, that's all. Kind of hard to get the eye into to the light when you're spraying this way. Like when you're spraying this way, you can always get the light, but as I was coming here, I was kind of flying blind, and I think I went a little bit too light, but yeah, looks good now. Nice and clean. There's a couple of nibs in it. You know, it's not totally 100% off the gun, but it's not going to take too long to polish. We used every last drop of our clear coat, so that's a win. No wastage right there. And yeah, I'm wrapped with how that job came up. I'm going to give that like 20 minutes before I hit bake, just to let it gas out. And yeah, we'll give it a bake and get it out. Loves it, mate, loves it. As I say, it's actually quite nice, clean job. You know, no dirty blends up here. There's no big chunky orange seal in it. Nice blend, nice colour orientation without any mottled on that boot lid. The repairs locked down really well with that new primer I was telling you guys about. So I'll take this primer. 2 big thumbs up from Gunny. Loves it. Gunny loves it, mate. New bumper cover. Looking good, looking good. And this blend here looking good apart from unfortunate events. I really would have liked to have been able to fix that, but as I say, I can't. Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, eh, Gunners? Rightio, I'll see you in the next one. Get out there and play some shit. Woo!